Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this, and this is the Lamborghini Estoque, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their workshop series. So let's get it unboxed and see how it looks. So I waited for this so long actually. It's not easy to get this things in India, especially now since they banned everything here. Okay. So the color looks really beautiful, and there's some kind of smudge to it. I don't know how. Here is a closer look of it. And the headlights and taillights both are just painted since it's just a basic Hot Wheels car. And the wheels are same as the others as well. And there are some interior detailing. Hope you guys can see that. The detailings are pretty decent. And that's it for today guys. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.